Hello everyone and welcome to MetalCon, hosted this year in the beautiful city of Atlanta, Georgia. Also welcome here at Steelscape's booth, lucky number booth 721, where we're showcasing our innovations in pre-painted decorative metal, something as a group that we call specialty finishes. My name's Alan Garrett. I work with the innovation teams at Steelscape to develop these and bring them to you, where giving you advantages in meeting your design vision and also possibly helping you save money in your total design. We're going to take a tour of the booth and show you how these products can not only meet your design vision goals, but also potentially help you save money. The first product on the tour today is a product we call Dazzle. This product was designed specifically for interior environments, and we've designed the coating system, you can see here both in our metal tones and our jewel tones, to incorporate a lot of features that all combined add up to ease of building maintenance in those interior environments. Interior environments used for hospitals, schools. We just recently got spec'd into a national brand new restaurant chain, and we're also using this product in interior environments such as clean rooms and walk-in coolers and deli cases. This product is designed to have remarkable stain resistance, and it also has been designed to have an antimicrobial resistance and excellent fingerprint resistance. You basically cannot put a fingerprint on this. So instead of using stainless steel in a lot of cases, our customers are coming to us as a solution. They'll use this color here, which is pewter, and use that in lieu of the stainless steel, which again, stainless steel, as you know, can fingerprint very easily. This product provides our customers not only aesthetics and beauty, but all those ease of building maintenance features that we talked about just a little bit ago. The next product on the tour is Vintage. It's a little bit similar to the Dazzle product, where we're using a tinted system and we're allowing the textured metallic coated surface to shine through. What that does out in the field, and this is an exterior quality product, what that does out in the field on a roof panel or wall panel is that allows the light to come into the coating and back out through the coating, producing all sorts of different colors, which architects and designers like a lot and building owners really, really love. As you can see here, the product, we call it Vintage because it gives that pre-aged, faceted, metallic look, and it can be used in those type of installations where you're looking for an aged type of product, but it also is good for new build type of projects too, as you can see down here in this Briarwood Elementary School outside of Renton, Washington, where they used it not only on the roof panels, but they also used it to trim out windows, they used it for gutters, they used it for soffits. So even though we call it Vintage, and a lot of our customers are using it for age type of looks, for retrofit, and for similar to this Del Mar train station where they were looking to, as a throwback to that old Pasadena metal industry, it can also be used for those new build projects and with other colors and be stunning and actually meet that architect and that building owner's design vision. The third stop on the tour today is a textured product, one of our first textured products we released to market, a product we call Rawhide. This product, as you can see, provides a very nice texture that adds significantly to scratch and mar resistance. So some of those uses could be used for column surrounds or in interior environments where people are going to be hitting their purses or rubbing up against it. But it also makes really nice roofing and walling product for exterior environments. And what happens is when that light hits this texture, it really does produce a nice aesthetic look. And on a roof panel, it tends to mitigate the angle of incidence, it's called, of light coming, hitting the roof surface and then coming back into the viewer's eye. And what that does, it mutes or mitigates the ability to see that sheen or that gloss. In some cases people don't like, and for those people who don't like that sheen on a monochromatic type of product, this product can give them more of that soft look that they're actually looking for. And the last product line I want to talk about today on our tour is under the umbrella we call Steelscape Prints. We divided Steelscape Prints up into 5 different subcategories, that being pebble, camo, rustic, granite, and metal effects. And I want to show you each one of those today and give you a good idea of what those look like. The pebble prints, part of that Steelscape prints family, looks like either rusted. We have two rusts, the Sedona rust and new weathered steel, and they're very, very nice looking rust type of products. And the other color combinations within that family group look like stone coated products. Look like stone coated products like this panel here. This is one of my favorite color combinations in that pebble color family group. We call this bark dust. But you can see here too how we can color match different pebble looks. These are stone coated metal chips, ceramic granules on the top of it. One of our customers used this for making vents. They call them stealth vents on the top of an asphalt shingle roof. And we matched those, and now they're going to be using our pebble prints in lieu of the stone coated products, which is going to save them money and of course save consumer money. Out of the two rust products that we have, the Sedona rust and the new weathered steel, the Sedona rust is probably our most popular rust type of look that we're producing right now. This has gone out into literally dozens and dozens, if not 100 applications so far, and it's a relatively new product. So we're very excited about this product. Our customers are very excited about this product. It not only looks like rust, as you can see close up like this, but it still has that texture and that granularity that the consumer's looking for at viewing distance at 40, 60, and 100 feet away. Another color family group under the Steelscape Prints umbrella is a product line we call Camo. And it's just that, it looks like camouflage. And it's interesting, when we were developing this color combination, people who are in our innovation groups were kind of questioning and laughing to a certain degree of why we would want this in our palette. And what we're finding now, this is one of our most popular color combinations. We're working with military applications, we're working with ice house, game coolers, duck blinds, and it goes on. So never say never about what you can do with pre-painted metal with art and those color combinations, and even developing something that the camouflage community, which is real big right now, is finding very, very interesting, and this product is growing very, very fast. The third color combination underneath the Steelscape Print umbrella is a product line we call Rustic. And some of those do look like rust, they look like weathered steel. Some of those others look like bark, look like wood. And we did spend a lot of time on developing those, and we have a lot of customers who have very high interest, especially in the mountain states and the southwestern states and into California. It goes very, very well with log cabin, it goes very, very well with both roofing and siding, and it goes very, very well with some other color combinations we'll show you in a minute, including our metal effects and our granite. So we're very excited about these products, and we will grow these and expound on different color combinations as we go forward. But this rustic color combination is another one of those product lines, high interest, meeting the design vision of building owners and architects, and giving them a tool that about a year and a half ago, they didn't have any other option but to go with something which was probably more expensive or something that would get rust all over the place. The fourth group of prints underneath the Steelscape Prints umbrella is a product group we call Granite. And it just looks like that. It looks like polished stone. In fact, this is a patent pending product. It looks that much like polished stone. What you're seeing here is a piece of a 1 foot square piece of granite. And we have matched an off match here. We play a game with customers coming to the booth where we see if they can see both the panels on this surface. If I cover up the shadow line here, there's another panel here that was the exact match to this piece of granite. This was the off match. And during our games of about 100 people looking at this, only 15% of the people could see the exact match panel. About 80% of the people could see the off match, but only 15% of the people could see the actual matched metal panel that we did to make look like this piece of granite. That's just a testimony of our product development, our innovation, and our ability to make pre-painted metal look like natural and other materials. This is a granite that we call Baltic Brown, formed into a wall panel. This wall panel can be used as wainscoting, as it would here about 3 high, or you could take it completely to the roof, from floor to roof. We combined the Baltic Brown with this Amber Dazzle to give you an idea of how you can combine some of these different innovations in pre-painted metal, these specialty finishes. and really meet a design vision, which again, this was only released a year and a half ago. This was released about 2 years ago. Up until recent, these type of products weren't available to the market. So something we're excited about, something our customer base is excited about, and we're really looking forward to getting these into installations where we can show you bigger pictures, like some of the photographs you've seen already in the video. This wall panel was designed mostly for interiors, but you can put it in exteriors. We're working with some other customers that make a very thin single skin wall panel. We're also working with some metal composite material type of companies that make a rectangular type of product. You can imagine the granite replacing real stone or real granite that many times are used to skin a skyscraper, skin an office building. And this installed is going to be about 1/10 of the cost of real stone and still give that aesthetic that the architect and the building owner is looking for at a much, much lower price point. And here's our granite prints in a corrugated form. Not only do they look nice on a wall panel, either horizontal or you can hang them vertical, but you take this corrugated panel and you turn it into a circle, it looks gorgeous as a column surround. It makes that column look like it really is made of granite. And last but not least, underneath the Steelscape Prints umbrella is one of my favorite lines, the Metal Effects line. What the Metal Effects line is again, the Steelscape Prints, flexographic printed metal, but we're using metallics in combinations with other glosses and some flat different coatings to produce depth and texture like really's never been seen before. And that's just not me talking, that's our customers and architects giving us that feedback. There are different color combinations that go from rusted copper, weathered zinc, some of them look like gold ore, some of them look like pewter, some of them look like antique copper, what you would call possibly copper patina. And in a lot of those cases, this gives a building owner and architect an option to produce a copper look, whether it's on a roof panel, an interior environment, or an exterior wall panel. Instead of using copper, they can use this type of solution to give them properties and benefits that copper didn't have, such as cool pigment technology that's designed in all of our prints, and also at a much lower price point than they would be with using real zinc or real copper. If you are interested in learning more, you can visit our website at www.steelscape.com, or you can give us a call directly. Telephone number is 360-673-8200, or you can email for product information or samples at productinfo@steelscape.com. That's productinfo@steelscape.com. And if you're ever up in the Pacific Northwest, we're located outside of Klamath, Washington, and Southwest Washington, about 40 miles north of Portland, Oregon. We would love to have you come in and see how we do this. And we'll give you a tour of our lines, and we'd love to see you. Until then, good luck and God bless.